Take a second to look at a sunbeam cutting through your bedroom window. See those tiny specks dancing in the light? That is exactly the stuff you are breathing in every single night while you sleep. Most people assume that to get truly clean air, you need some massive whirring industrial machine taking up a whole corner of the room. But that is where this compact air purifier comes into play. It is built specifically for the spots where space is a luxury. We are talking about small bedrooms, home offices, or those tiny reading nooks that always seem to get a little dusty. I decided to put this small unit to the test to see if it actually makes a dent in air quality, or if it is just a glorified fan. When you first pull it out of the box, the size is the first thing that hits you. It is small enough to sit comfortably on a bedside table or a shelf right next to your books. It does not demand attention. It just blends in. But inside that little frame, there is a layered filtration system working quite hard. It is designed to pull in the air from your room and trap the nasty stuff. Think about all the common pollutants like pollen, pet dander, and those microscopic dust particles that make you sneeze. The setup is about as simple as it gets. Find a spot with a bit of open space around it. This allows the vents to actually breathe. Then, you plug it in and hit the button. That is it. No complex manuals or technical headaches. The machine starts drawing air through those filters and pushing cleaner air back out into your living space. One of the biggest wins here is the noise level, or rather, the lack of it. If you are a light sleeper, you know how annoying a humming machine can be. This one runs quietly in the background. It is subtle enough that you can leave it on overnight without feeling like you are sleeping next to a jet engine. Running it regularly is the key. It helps maintain that fresh feeling as new dust enters your home throughout the day. Over time, that filter is going to get dirty because it is doing its job. You will need to swap it out every now and then to keep things running at peak performance. This is a straightforward process that keeps the airflow consistent. The portability is another huge plus. It is very lightweight. You can pick it up and move it from your desk during the workday to your bedroom at night without breaking a sweat. It offers a lot of flexibility for people who move around their homes. It allows the clean air to follow you wherever you go. If you are dealing with a massive open concept living room, this probably is not the right tool for the job. But for those focused, smaller areas where you spend the most time, it really holds its own. It is a practical choice for anyone who wants to stop breathing in those sunbeam specks and start feeling a bit more refreshed. It is simple, it is effective, and it does not take over your floor plan. This little machine proves a point. You do not need a giant piece of equipment to make a real difference in the air you breathe every single day. Just set it down, turn it on. Let it do the heavy lifting while you focus on your work, or finally get a good night of rest.